Here's a small video on adjusting your limits on your cassette awning. You'll see a white point and a red point with a positive and a negative, and the same on the top and on the bottom. You'll also receive a wand. The purpose of the wand is it can actually be inserted into that point, and you can then turn it in a clockwise or an anti-clockwise motion, only in small amounts at a time. And the reason for this is to set your limits. So you can do this on the white is for setting your in limit, and the red is for setting the outward limit. So if we operate the awning on the in position, and the awning doesn't close all of the way, what we can do here is we can insert the wand into the white. To tighten up and go in further, you want to turn it in a clockwise position, so a positive. By doing this in small turns at a time, the motor will slowly adjust, and you can take it slowly by turning clockwise to the position where you're happy where it's closed. You can repeat this process the same on the outward motion. If at any stage your cassette has closed all of the way and the motor is still trying to operate, what you do is you would actually then insert into the white and turn it in an anti-clockwise to a negative position. This will then reduce that limit so the motor doesn't overload.